Leo, what is your absolute favorite food to order out when you eat at a restaurant?
Hands down, pizza. A good wood-fired pizza with extra cheese and fresh basil. What about you, Mia?
I love sushi or a big bowl of fresh pasta with garlic bread. But ordering food in a restaurant in English can be super intimidating for beginners.
That is so true. People get nervous about making mistakes, understanding the server's fast questions, or knowing how to ask for the bill politely without sounding rude.
Well, today we're changing that. By the end of this 15-minute lesson, you'll know how to order food naturally, express your likes and dislikes, ask for recommendations, and handle restaurant situations with complete confidence.
Welcome to Level 1, Episode 4 of the English Ladder. Let's climb together.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the English Ladder here on English Loom. I'm Mia.
And I'm Leo. First of all, a huge thank you to everyone who left their practice sentences about describing family and friends in Episode 3. We loved reading your comments.
If you're joining us for the first time today, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now. This series is your complete step-by-step roadmap from beginner to fluent English speaker.
Today's lesson is all about food, ordering at restaurants, and expressing your likes and dislikes. We have vocabulary, menu sections, natural phrases, common beginner mistakes, and an interactive restaurant role play.
Let's start with how to express what food you like or don't like in everyday conversations.
Instead of just saying I like or I don't like over and over, native speakers use a variety of expressive phrases.
For foods you love, you can say, I'm a big fan of spicy food, or I'm crazy about Italian cuisine, or I really enjoy fresh seafood.
And for foods you don't like, instead of saying I hate this, which can sound a bit aggressive or impolite at a dinner table, you can use softer expressions.
You can say, I'm not crazy about mushrooms, or I don't care much for fast food, or I'm not really a big soup person.
Those sound so much more natural and polite. Try repeating those out loud right now. I'm not crazy about mushrooms.
Now, let's step inside a restaurant. What happens when you first walk through the door?
The host or server at the front desk will usually greet you and ask, table for how many, or how many in your party.
You can reply simply and politely, a table for two, please, or just one, please.
If you booked in advance, you can say, hi, I have a reservation under the name Leo.
Once you are seated, let's understand the basic layout of an English menu. A typical menu is divided into 3 or 4 courses.
First, starters or appetizers. These are small dishes eaten before the main meal, like soup, salad, or garlic bread.
Second, main course or mains. This is the primary and largest dish of your meal, like steak, pasta, or grilled chicken.
Third, sides or side dishes. Extra small portions you order to accompany your main dish, like fries, rice, or steamed vegetables.
And fourth, desserts, the sweet treat at the end of the meal, like ice cream, chocolate cake, or fruit tart.
Now let's talk about ordering. This is where many English learners make a common mistake. They look at the server and say, I want a burger.
While the server will understand you, saying I want sounds too direct and slightly demanding in English culture.
Instead, always use these magic polite phrases. I'd like the chicken salad, please, or could I have the burger, please?
I'd like is short for I would like. It's the standard polite way to order anything in English.
What if you have special dietary requirements or food allergies? How do you tell the server?
Here are 3 essential phrases to remember. Is this dish vegetarian, vegan, or gluten-free? I'm allergic to nuts, dairy, or seafood. Could I get this without onions, please?
What if you aren't sure what to eat and want to ask for advice?
You can ask the server, what do you recommend? Or what's the house specialty?
And when you finish your meal and want to pay, what do you say?
Catch the server's eye, give a small smile, and say, could we get the check, please? Or could we have the bill, please?
Notice that check and bill mean the exact same thing. Check is common in American English, while bill is standard in British English.
Now, let's bring all of this together in a full, real-life restaurant role play. I will be the server and Leo will be the customer. Listen carefully to how the phrases flow naturally.
Let's do it.
Good evening. Welcome to Loom Bistro. Do you have a reservation?
Good evening. No, we don't have a reservation. Do you have a table for two available?
Yes, right this way, please. Here are your menus. Can I start you off with something to drink while you look over the food menu?
Yes, please. Could we get a bottle of sparkling water and 2 fresh orange juices?
Absolutely. I'll be right back with your drinks. A few moments later. Here are your drinks. Are you ready to order or do you need a few more minutes with the menu?
I think we're ready. To start, could we share an appetizer of garlic bread?
Great choice. And for your main courses?
What do you recommend between the grilled salmon and the mushroom pasta?
The grilled salmon is fantastic tonight. It comes with roasted potatoes and fresh herbs.
Sounds delicious. I'd like the grilled salmon, please, but could I get it without butter? I'm allergic to dairy.
Of course. I'll make a note for the kitchen, grilled salmon, no butter. And for your guest?
She would like the vegetable lasagna, please.
Wonderful. So that's 1 garlic bread starter, 1 grilled salmon with no butter, and 1 vegetable lasagna. I'll get that started for you. After the meal. How was everything tonight?
Everything was delicious, thank you. Could we get the check, please?
Certainly. Will you be paying with cash or card today?
By card, please.
I'll bring the card machine right over.
Thank you so much.
That was a complete restaurant experience. Now, let's move to our favorite segment, Say It Better.
Here are 3 common restaurant mistakes learners make.
Mistake number 1. I want a cup of coffee. Why it sounds awkward? It's too direct and lacks politeness.
Say it better. I'd like a coffee, please, or could I get a coffee, please?
Mistake number 2. Give me the bill. Why it sounds awkward? It sounds like a demand or command.
Say it better. Could we have the bill, please, or could we get the check, please?
Mistake number 3. I am not liking spicy food. Why it's wrong, state verbs like do not usually take the ing form in simple present.
Say it better. I don't like spicy food, or I'm not a fan of spicy food.
Now it's time for our word tour recap of today's key vocabulary.
Word 1. Appetizer/starter, meaning a small dish served before the main part of a meal. Example, we ordered spring rolls as an appetizer.
Word 2, recommend, meaning to suggest something as a good option. Example, which dish do you recommend?
Word 3, specialty, meaning a product or dish that a restaurant is famous for making exceptionally well. Example, fresh seafood is the house specialty.
Word 4, allergic, meaning having a medical condition that causes illness when eating a specific food. Example, he is allergic to peanuts.
Now it's time for your interactive homework practice task.
In the comment section below, practice ordering your favorite meal using our magic polite phrase. Write, I'd like your favorite main dish and your favorite drink, please.
For example, I'd like a cheese pizza and an iced tea, please.
Write your practice orders below. Leo and I will read your comments and give you feedback.
In episode 5, we're taking the next step up the English ladder: travel, asking for directions, and getting help.
Make sure to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and practice these phrases out loud next time you visit a cafe or restaurant.
Keep climbing, stay consistent, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
See you soon!